Okay, all the Greenlight Finbox router systems, the install systems depend on plunge routing, which is we're going to slowly drop the rotating router bit into the board. It's the safest way to do it and most accurate. So we're going to remove this locking system just so it's out of your way when you do that. So you simply just grab a pair of pliers or a socket. First we'll remove that. And we'll just twist this off and save this locking mechanism if you want to use the router for woodworking and you want to set your depth. So just pull all that out and stick it back together and keep this for later. Alright, put that back in the box. Now, we'll replace the base plate with the aluminum collet base plate that we provide in the FCS II, FCS Fusion, and Futures install kits. You can keep this one on for the center fin kit, installing center fins. And we'll just install flat side toward this back nut. Okay, there you go. You have your base plate on. We also provide a dust collection boot here, which is real nice if you want to hook up your hose to it. Vacuum hose. So that just clips on real easy and has a retaining screw. So if you're not using the dust collection, you don't need this. But it does do a nice job. Okay, now when you install the router bit that comes with the install kits, each install kit comes with its own bit. On all the kits, you want this part of the shaft here, the end of the shaft and where the cutter starts, to be touching this nut. So then everything's the right depth that we've designed. So you don't have to overthink it and set everything. Everything will be set for you. So to change that, just screw. If you hold this button in right here, it locks it. See? You can unscrew it. So there's the collet. So you can slide that right in, all the way in. So you want to continue pushing this down while you're tightening it. Just make sure it's all the way down as far as it can go. Then you take the wrench and give it a quarter turn past tight, and you're ready to go. Now we'll reassemble the base, and this just goes right in line with where the gears were. So now you have a real easy plunge route using your fingers like this. Everything's safe, contained inside here, and you're good to start routing.